Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can export chart data from TradingView. This is useful for backtesting, analysis in Excel, or export or importing into other tools. So yeah, once you're on your TradingView dashboard, just select a chart of your choice, and then you will just have to select full chart. And just once you're here, what you will have to do is select this drop down menu right here which says manage layouts. So what you will have to do is just click that, and then once you see download chart data, you will just have to click that, and now you will just have to you know uh select your desired time format. And once you're satisfied with that, you will just have to click download, which is right here. And yeah, by the way, you do have to make sure first to upgrade your plan to export the chart info that you need. So yeah, that's basically just it. And so yeah, once you've already upgraded your plan, it should look like this. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.